Izzy's gonna open up this one and he's gonna open up this card. Now I have three. Now I'm gonna help Izzy open his and mine. So first, Izzy's turn. Izzy, do you want me to open it for you? So here's one, and one is from Izzy. Let's open this one, and it's Boo! Now let's see what's in this one. They make me really good, don't they? Let's see what's in this packet blind bag. There's... Mike, we're getting different ones today. Mike! Let's open this one. Look, it's Dash. That one's not too easy. We've got just one more here. This one's the best one. Let's open it. And it's oval shaped. It's Daddy! Mr. Incredible! Well, everybody, thanks. If you like these videos, subscribe and bye! This one.